Hey guys, it's Frances, and I recently posted a video of gifts that I got from Beauty Big Bang, and I'm swatching the stamping polishes in this video, and these are the polishes that were sent to me. First is a black polish, a black stamping polish, which is great because that's the one I think we use the most. So it's 002, and then there is this gold stamping polish. And I will list all the numbers and information in the description box below if you're interested. They are 9 milliliters, which is 0.32 fluid ounces. So they are a little bit less than a Bundle Monster or a Moira stamping polish, just about what you would get in a Sally Hansen Insta Dry. And the last color is this beautiful, like electric metallic blue. And then I'm going to go ahead and swatch them for you. So this first one I'm going to do is 001. It's that metallic blue, and I'm using a Bundle Monster stamping plate for this one. So I'm going to be using some different stamping plates just to see if it picks up across plates. The stem of the bottle, or the stem of the brush, is a little bit on the short side. The polish is thick, but I feel like the stem doesn't get in the way, so it's not a big deal. And I'm not using it to paint my nails, which I guess you probably could. And I'm stamping it over half white, half black so that you can see what it looks like. I wasn't expecting too much over the black because it is a dark color, but actually looks really pretty over the black. It looks beautiful over the white, but it does look really pretty over the black. It's got that nice shine. So if you were looking for that like subtle over black, this is beautiful. So next up is the black, and it is, like I said, probably one of the most used polishes that we use for stamping, right? Black. And I'm going to be using it over one of these Bundle Monster plates. And I will not be stamping this over black, obviously. I'm just stamping it over white. And I'm using, I believe, an Edgebus stamper for this one. And this is super duper pigmented and black, and it came out so crisp. I was really impressed with this one. Another thing that you might be wondering is the smell. It does not have a strong smell. It smells like polish. It wasn't anything where I opened the bottle and was like, oh my god. Like with my Mundo de Uñas polishes, those are really strong smelling, but this is not. And the last one I'm going to do is the gold, and I'm using Edgebus. Now this is a very yellow gold. I don't know if the camera is picking up exactly how yellow it is, so obviously there's different types of gold. I don't have a gold of this type, and I've been struggling to find a gold that I like. I think if you've been following me, I have several different golds. I have the MDU gold, and I have a couple different golds, and I just don't like any one of them. And this picked up beautifully, and I'm going to stamp it over black and white. So I was really hoping for this one to be good. And I stamped it, and I near about fainted. This is the best gold polish I've ever used for stamping. It is stunning over both white and black. It's so pigmented you can't see any of the black underneath it. I was so impressed with this one. So here are all the swatches so that you can see them out. I actually have more stamping polishes coming from Beauty Big Bang. Make sure that you check my information below. I do have a discount code of 10% that you can use for anything on their site. Like I said, I have more of colors coming to me, so I can't wait to show you what those look like too. I can't wait to try them myself. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for spending your time with me, and I will see you guys again next time. Bye.